In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to plumb a bathroom so you can get it done right without losing your mind or breaking the bank. Plumbing a bathroom might sound like a headache, but if you know the basics and follow some solid tips, it's way more doable than most people think. First off, always start by turning off the main water supply to avoid any unexpected indoor waterfalls. Then, map out where your sink, toilet, and shower or tub will go, making sure the drain pipes slope downward at about 1/4 inch per foot so water flows smoothly. When you're connecting pipes, use the right materials for the job, like PVC for drains and copper, or PEX for water supply lines, and don't skip on quality fittings because leaks happen fast with cheap stuff. Remember to measure twice and cut once to keep everything tight and leak-free. Also, keep vent pipes in check. They're super important for letting sewer gases escape and keeping your drains draining well. If you're feeling unsure about soldering copper pipes, practice a bit or go with push-fit connectors for a simpler, no-heat option. Finally, always test your system by running water through every fixture after installation to catch leaks early before closing up walls or floors. One of the biggest mistakes I see when folks try plumbing a bathroom is not getting the slope of the drain pipes right, which causes slow drains or backups. Just remember that 1/4 inch per foot rule and you'll be golden. Another common issue is forgetting to install proper venting. Without vents, your drains will gurgle and might even suck water out of traps, letting nasty smells in. Third, using the wrong pipe materials or mixing incompatible fittings can cause leaks or corrosion down the road, so double check what's recommended for water supply versus waste lines. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously clutch if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't charge you an arm and a leg. Contractors can also use it to find new gigs easily, which keeps everyone connected and projects moving smoothly.